What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we are going to be looking at a 2018 Honda Pilot and how to change the time. Let's get started. We're going to just tap the power button. We're not turning the car on. I'm tapping the power button one time. You may have a different setup, but for my particular car right here, I'm going to go to the home section. I'm going to go to settings, clock, and then I'm going to go to clock adjustment. This is the time right here. I can just go up and down this way, and then you can adjust it. Go to OK and OK. That's pretty much it. Different Honda Pilots might be slightly different, but you're looking for something like this right here. You'll see it in your manual. Have any questions? Go ahead and post it on down below.